Hi everyone. In the first semester we learned that there are some things you need to be careful when you're singing or playing music, and one of the things was volume and the other thing was tempo. Volume is how loud or quiet, so we used signs like piano and forte, crescendo, decrescendo. Tempo is how fast you play, so we learned the song Presto and Largo. Presto, Largo. It tells you how fast you should play the music. In this semester, we're going to learn rhythm. And that has to do with, I'm pretty sure you've seen it before, even if you don't know what it is. Things like this. These notes and rests tell you when and how long you should or you shouldn't make a noise. For example, this is a quarter note. They tell you to play. So it's play, 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 rest means don't make a sound, play, rest. Or sing, 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 don't sing, sing, don't sing. We will start with learning 4/4. We'll learn about that some other time, but for now, all you need to know is in one measure. Measure is this box. This is a measure. This is a measure, measure, measure. In one measure, there are 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. You will always count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Even if it goes on, you're not going to count 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Before we learn how to count, let's learn the names of the notes and the rest. This is a quarter note. It's worth 1 beat. This is a quarter rest. This is also worth 1 beat. Say it with me. Quarter note, quarter rest. One more time. Quarter note, quarter rest. We're going to be working with all quarter notes and quarter rests for today. Here's an example. Let me move the paper in the back so you can't see it. This is beat 1, 2, 3, 4. You would sing or clap or play the instrument for each beat. So let's clap and do this. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. This one. 1, 2, 3, 4. But this is a rest, so you don't clap, you don't sing, or you don't play the instrument. So if you clap, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you don't make any noise when you see the rest. Let's do it together. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try this one. 1, 2. You clap, and then 3, 4. You don't clap. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. I think we're getting used to it. Should be easy. Try it together. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3. Let's do it from the top. Let's see if I can zoom out so you can do it all together without stopping. Now, I want you to clap, but also I want you to practice to count. I think if it's only clapping, this is very easy for you and you can do it with no problem. So clap and count. When there's a rest, don't say anything. Okay? Let me just do 2 lines to show you what I mean. Here's how it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3. Just like that. Let's do it together. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Let's do another example. So for this one, 1, we won't say 2, 3, 4. Don't say 1. What is this? Is it 1? Nope, this is 2. Because 1 is here, we don't say 3, 4. Beat is there, but you just count in your head. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. First time, let's just clap and practice. From this line, only this line, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. This line, ready, go. Rest, 2, 3, 4. Third line, 1, 2, 3, 4. Last line, 1, 2, 3. Let's do it from the top, and you clap and count. Ready, go. 1, 3, 4. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, I think I accidentally counted those out. Don't do the same thing. I'm not gonna write the rest. So practice with me figuring out what beat this is. This is beat 2, 3. This is 4. What beat is this? 3. Can't see it well. This one's easy. 1, 2, 3, 4 is a rest. Last one. 1, 2, 3. I'm not gonna write the rests, so you have to count in your own head. Let's try this line, clapping and counting. Ready, go. 2, 4. Next line, ready, go. 3. Next line, ready, go. 1, 2, 3. Last line, ready, go. 2, 3. Let's do it without stopping. Ready, go. 2, 4, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. I made a mistake right there. Oops. Going on. This one, I'll give you a challenge and give you a little bit of time to think before I write the answers. What beat are those? Are you ready? Before I write and we count, let's do the clapping without me writing anything on here. 1, 2, ready, go. 3. Were you able to do it? Alright, then let's do the counting. Here's 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clap and count with me. Ready, go. 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 4, 1, 4. With the next video, it's going to be rhythm practice. I want you to make sure you can clap along and you can count along, and when you're used to, you can clap and count along.